We were sent this microwavable animal plush, and let's unbox it, see what we have.
It's a capybara.
You can even microwave it to warm it up.
It's a nice little capybara. It has a nice little fur. It's very soft. It's weighted. You can hug it or snuggle it, and you have an adopting thing. It's super warm when you microwave it, and it smells good. I love it.
We were sent this Highland Cow, and it is a warm, weighted plushie. Go ahead and open it up. What do you think?
I think it's gonna be good.
Comes with an adoption certificate, information on heating it, and let's get it open. Whoa! So inside the cow is a zipper, and then when you open that zipper, this bag comes out. It is that nice weighted bag, and this can go in the microwave, or you can cool it in the refrigerator as well, turning this into a heating pad or a cooling pad, which is so awesome.
Oh. Moo. This is so cool. I think the cow wants to say something. Moo.
This thing is so cool. The paws are, or hooves, I guess I should say, are weighted, and it's just a nice, massive size, so you can really curl up with it.